The Mask of Agamemnon during the Greek Bronze Age. Henry Schliemann was a famous German archaeologist during the 19th century who was passionate about the Trojan War stories. He discovered this artifact in 1876 while excavating a burial shaft in Mycenae, in the northeastern Greece. In the grave circle Site A at Mycenae, Schliemann found a very wealthy burial with funeral masks made of gold, weapons, and jewelry also made of silver and gold. When Schliemann discovered the rounded mask, he claimed it to be that of a famous king because such masks were put on the faces of deceased kings and royalty. The mask was created by hammering gold into a tin leaf over a wooden form. It is three-dimensional and includes cutout ears, full detailed facial hair, and eyelids. It is the most detailed and stylistically distinct mask among the other masks that were found, which impressed Schliemann, proclaiming it that he has gazed on the face of Agamemnon. Agamemnon was a ruler of Mycenae according to Greek mythology. However, historians argue that Schliemann was self-mythologizing about his passion of the Homeric world. It has since been demonstrated that the burials in Grave Circle A date from 16th century BC, before the traditional time of the Trojan War, which was between the 13th and 12th century BC. How does the mask of Agamemnon compare to the other masks found in the burial site? The mask is very shapely. We see that the eyebrows are separated instead of uniform, and the face, nose, and chin are barely crushed, unlike the other masks. The ears also have similar shape. Among the objects found at Mycenae's burial site were a series of gold death masks and full sets of weapons, ornate staffs, as well as gold and silver cups. Here we see a copy of the mask, but the original mask is kept in the National Archaeological Museum in Athens and is one of the most prized discoveries from the ancient Mycenaean ages.